As the coordinator within the informal sector for quite a long time, struggle sector.
Yeah.
With my understanding, I think it was a Immigration Act. Our requirements are corner.
Yeah.
Yes. The issue of business visa with all these people about foreign national, not to say we are taking blacks, even the Chinese too. The Ethiopian. Business Nigeria South Africa. But it was Nigeria so fully business. Some trucks. You call it a business, don't you? There's no South African jumping border when you can't for looting some matamati. Why government agents are going to say about so Konama soldier a border? Why of him about to so genil in a parage? Instead of Abu Klinu to pin the Ungen. Now, Namayamakama, the ruling party, Sibona Jene Party Sinyanya. Singama South African. Do you know why? It's because Abantu misinterpreter Israel bathi basikhulula kanti bebengamagwala bebalekile yithi salwa la inside sakhipha bo Mandela ejele senza ama band liberation movement abe unbanned sithatha amagwala sawenza amakhawa wasawuphendula amagwala.
Yeah.
This is to anyone ozohlala lapha yani. Israel is belonging to EFF, as belonging to DA, as belonging to ANC. Struggle says with this black nation. It's for generation and generation this struggle. Now so Konabazens are my champion of the struggle. Of which they failed even to deliver Gulabo Bandula. Yes. It's like when the Labantuana say next door, Ipati Maringani Zakos Lalang in we see the government of the day behave Aranjal. Izama Ukaza our neighboring countries, nama foreign national on our expense.